Yeah, okay, hello, good morning. Today in 21 days, I want to continue again to read and speaking. And now, topic is dialogue about a bug that took all day fix. I can't believe this. Ryan, that's happened. I spent the entire day fixing one bug, only one. Yeah, don't start. I'm just asking. One bug, okay. 8 hours, okay. One line of code. No, we're talking. This isn't funny. It's a little funny. It ran my entire day. You fix it eventually. Then it wasn't worst day. That's easy for you to say. Why? Because you weren't the one staring at error message for hours. Fire point. I thought it would take 10 minutes. Famous last word. What? Every developer has said that. I should have known. You should have. The worst part? Yeah, there was a worst part. The bug wasn't even complicated. Those are usually the dangerous ones. Why? Because you stop looking for simple mistake. That's exactly what happened. Tell me the story. Okay, I'm listening. The application wasn't saving data correctly. Sound annoying. Very. Then did you check first the database? Good. Then the controller makes sense. Then the model reasonable. Then the form okay. Then the route okay. Then everything. Then yes. What? The debugging loop. I had the debugging loop. Every developer does. At one point, I started questioning reality. That usually around 4. How did you know? Experience. I checked the same file 5 times. Only 5? You've not helped me, sorry. No, you're not. You're right. Then I found a problem. Finally. One typo. Of course, one tiny typo. Naturally. One missing character. The classic never die. I sat at the screen for 30 seconds. Why? I couldn't decide whether to laugh to cry. Both are acceptable response. I choose laughter. Good choice. You know what bothered me? But I felt like I accomplished nothing all day. But you fix the bugs after 8 hours and that's not efficient. Maybe not she, but efficiency isn't the only things that matters. What else matters? Learning. What did I learn? How not to make that mistake again. That's fair. You also learn how to investigate a problem. I guess so. The booking is a skill. People don't talk about that enough because the booking isn't glamorous. Neither is sitting at logs for hours, especially that. You know what I image programming would be like? What? Building cool feature all day, and now half the job seem to be figuring out why things don't work. That's surprisingly accurate. It's less exciting than I expected sometimes, but also satisfying easily, especially when the bug is finally gone. That's one of the best feelings. For about 10 minutes, then a new bug appears. Don't say that. You know it's true. Unfortunately, can I ask you something? Sure. If the bug had takes 10 minutes to fix, what will you remember? Probably nothing. Exactly. And because it took 8 hours, you'll remember it forever. That's accurate, actually true. Typical problem, teach memorable lesson. I wish the lesson were cheaper. Me too. The experienced developer still spend hours debugging. Absolutely. Really? Yeah, of course. That's comforting. The difference is that they panic less. That's a useful skill. Yeah, it's very useful skill. I think understand now. Understand what? Today wasn't a waste. Exactly. It just didn't look productive. Sometimes the most productive they look unproductive. That's confusing. Welcome to the software development. You developers really, really have an answer for everything. Yes, of suffering. There it is. What your love. I guess that's a good sign. Definitely. One bug at a time. Yeah, one bug at a time. One work day at a time. Yeah, one work day at a time. And hopefully whatever types, yeah, hopefully few typos. Thank you.